Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. We're going to be doing a quick video today on how to remove and reinstall the drive belt on this Yamaha RX-1. If you take a look at these clutches right here, you've got the primary and the secondary clutch. Often people call this the drive, and the driven clutch is another term. But what we're going to do today is we're going to take off this drive belt to either replace it or to work on the clutch or whatever you might be doing. So there's a couple tricks to taking these off. They're kind of complicated, but we're going to take a look here. So first thing you're going to want to do is to set the parking brake. So we go ahead and do that. Then what you're going to do is grab the center part of the clutch right here, push it towards that direction, and rotate it slightly. You can see as you do that, the belt has now slid down in the pulley. Then what you can do is pull up on the belt, and now you have all this room. Slide the belt right off the side, slide it off the back, and you'll hear the clutch snap back together. Then you'll get it around here, so now the belt is just on the primary clutch. Alright, so you've got the belt up to the top like this. You're going to turn it sideways and slightly squeeze it. Sometimes you'll have to reach down underneath. It'll try to catch on something. Bring it up like this, and then you can slip it right out. So there's your belt. So we're going to go ahead and reinstall this belt. This is the original Yamaha belt, so you want to note that it has arrows on it, the direction. So you want these arrows to be pointing forward on top. So we're going to go ahead and slide it down in here like this. Slide it sideways around the front. As you can see, our arrows are still pointing forward. So we'll go ahead and slip it around the end here. Our parking brake is still set. You're going to go ahead and push on the back part of the clutch, pushing it over. And then you can also push on the front part to get it over like that. And then just keep working the belt down to make extra room and slide it right around. And then once you get it to that point, down on the bottom, it'll usually pop right over. Sometimes you have to push the clutch over just a little bit more to make a little more room, and it'll pop right down just like that. Then you can kind of pull the belt forward and back like that and get it back up into the top of the clutch. And then the first time you move the machine, it'll readjust itself. So pretty simple there. Remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.